Hello friends, that apps are you using that are safe? Actually mostly apps we are using, we are unknown from the security. Today I will tell you 24 malicious apps on Android which is really dangerous apps and you need to remove instantly from your smartphone. How to clean your cell phone from virus. Many malicious apps on Android phone from which we are unknown that are dangerous apps, harmful apps for us. Here I brought a list of malware apps, unsafe apps for Android and also for our personal data. So stick with me till the end. The popularity of this application can be measured by the fact that more than 4.72 lakh users are using the 24 application. But further I am going to tell you. These 24 application, what I am going to tell you, they work like the advertiser transmits the personal information content in the message to the website. They transfer your personal data on other websites. They can hack your mobile, they can hack your personal data. Let's see the list of the malicious apps on Android. First is Beach Camera 4.2. The developer affirmed about the virus application has facial recognition and with his help, the ordinary phone camera will also become a professional camera. It also has an ISO manual. Second is Mini Camera 1.0.2. This is also very dangerous. It can transmit your personal data and hack your mobile. This application has been claimed as before. Fantastic photography has also been claimed for this application. Third is Certain Wallpaper 1.02. This is wallpaper application. HD and 4K wallpaper are available on it. Fourth is Reward Clean 1.1.6. Next Edge Face 1.1.2. This is an application that allows user to verify how they will look after 10 years, 20 years later, but very dangerous for your personal data and for your life. Next, Utter Message 1.5 and next Sobi Camera 1.0.1. In addition to this, there are applications that have virus, Android virus list. I am giving you another name. You can see the list of Android virus list. Just pause the video and delete every app from your smartphone because these all apps are very dangerous for your phone. If you want detailed information about malicious apps on Android, dangerous apps you need to remove instantly from your smartphone, so you can check it out. Review Mobile Point, www.reviewmobilepoint.com. Don't forget. Thank you so much.